guys ready for your next build?
Yes.
Alright. So,
Yes.
time to choose. just reaching out. Oh.
Oh.
What do you have there? Mandalorian. Microfighter. We're gonna build 2 Mandalorians. And
Mandalorian and BOBA Fett. Your mama.
The Slave One. Starship. Slave One. Yes. Alright guys. You good with your choices?
Yes, Mom.
Alright then.
Hi, and welcome back to JD Squared Productions. I'm Johan. Today I'll be building the Book of Boba Fett Slave 1 and
I'm Dale, and I'll be building the laser Crest Microfighter. I can't open it. Let me open it. I can't open it. I'm pressing it. Okay, now just throw down the box. Is it okay if I do that? I'm just gonna throw down the box. Open! I can't open it.
it's already taken out of here.
Like that. Come on, that's a cut. Help me! Yeah.
In the back. So our sets have been completed. I'll start off with mine first. So here's the finished Boba Fett Slave 1. Has nice details, a lot of stickers though. The wings can flip, I guess, automatically somewhat. No. Yeah. It has stud shooters here and just built blasters there. It has this cool little handle in the back that you can flip out, so you can go meow.
Yes.
It also comes with this. It doubles as like a base for the Slave 1. Just put it down like that. And boom. Onto the figures. We have Boba Fett. He has a cool little blaster here. His helmet, and you can put the thing down. I forgot what it's called. He has a cool little jetpack. A rangefinder. The colors on the helmet and the backpack unfortunately do not match with the green on the chest. It's a little lighter. And then with Mando, he comes with a pistol and his Beskar spear. He has a little cape. All the detail on his chest and legs are all metallic. And then it also comes with this cool carbonized Gamorrean guard. So that's pretty cool. Anything else?
It's 98 pieces and I built the